So which one is the best and free antivirus for your iPhone, even for your Android, for your iPhone or for your PC? So if you own an iPhone, and you must have at least one free antivirus. So let's get into App Store, and the best antivirus, and according to my experience, is Avast One. So Avast One is quite good. It was performing very well on my laptop, and I normally keep it in my Android phone and on my iPhone. So let's get into this iPhone. So I just enter my password, and now it's downloading Avast One Security and Privacy. So now the download is complete. So we're just gonna open this Avast One. Okay, this is your main menu. From here you can run smart scan, and you can check hack alerts, and here you can enter your email address to find out if there was any security breach. So but anyway, that's how you install Avast free antivirus from App Store. And thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel so we can make more videos.